Hi Shoebox friends! Today I'm excited to share my top 5 favorite wow gifts that you can regularly find at Five Below for $5 or less. These are great options to make your Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes extra special. And be sure to stick around. At the end I'll be packing a 10 to 14-year-old shoebox featuring a Five Below item as the wow gift. Let's go! Coming in at number 5 on my list of wow gifts at Five Below are their off-brand Lego sets. These are a fantastic find with several fun styles to choose from. Check out these Ninja Turtle sets. How cute would that be with a Ninja Turtle stuffy or coloring book? My son has actually built one of these before and said the quality is comparable to Lego. And look at this adorable blue race car set with penguins. They also have a strawberry shortcake theme, which would be really sweet for a little girl. They even have a Hello Kitty set, and these would all make amazing wow gifts for ages 5 to 14, and they're only $5. They also had these really cute succulent and plant-themed sets, which would be a sweet item for an older girl to display in her room, and they were only $3.25. At number 4 on my list of wow gifts from Five Below are their remote-controlled toys. These are always a hit, and Five Below has such a fun variety. Check out this hilarious hot dog and even a cupcake RC car. I also spotted a SpongeBob in an RC boat. How perfect would that be for an ocean-themed shoebox? They also have these adorable walking pets on a leash. This little one is called Nutmeg the Squirrel. And there's a Spider-Man RC flip car, which would be perfect for a Spider-Man box. They also had this really cute Care Bear themed Cloudmobile, and it comes with a little Care Bear to ride in the car. Many of these items would make perfect themed boxes. Just be sure to include extra batteries so these toys last a while. But seriously, what kid wouldn't love opening one of these toys in their shoeboxes? It's definitely a fun wow gift to include. Coming in at number 3 on my list of wow gifts from Five Below are these beautiful art sets, especially for the older girl shoeboxes. Finding the perfect wow gift for a 10 to 14-year-old girl can sometimes be tricky, but I think a set like this paired with a smaller doll or stuffed animal would make an amazing gift. There are markers and colored pencils, and these sets come with a variety of colors. They often include a nice carrying case, and it just makes them extra special with so many to choose from. This is a great way to encourage creativity while making a shoebox bright and extra exciting. Just be sure to add plenty of paper for drawing and maybe even a coloring book or two. Coming in at a close second on my list of top wow gifts from Five Below are their large stuffed animals. They have huge bins full of adorable styles, and I have to admit, I'm a bit of a softie for bigger plushies. These are easily one of my favorite wow gifts to include in the shoeboxes. Their selection is always changing, but you can often find Squishmallow brands and fun characters. I spotted a Mickey Mouse and even a Peppa Pig. So if you're looking for a certain character, they might have them here. You really can't go wrong with a plushie in a shoebox. It's an instant joy bringer, and at just $5, sometimes even less than that, these high-quality stuffed animals make an incredible wow gift. And now for my number 1 wow gift at Five Below for $5, they're large sports balls. You just can't go wrong with a full-size soccer ball, basketball, or football at this price. It's an incredible deal, and honestly, it's hard to find that price anywhere else. The fact that Five Below consistently has these at just $5 makes it super convenient when you need a great wow gift. A quality sports ball can bring so much fun and excitement to a child, and it's a gift that can be shared with friends and family. It's definitely a top pick for any shoebox. And speaking of top picks and footballs, there's a certain big game coming up that inspired me to pack a shoebox for a 10 to 14-year-old boy. This is going to be a Super Bowl shoebox, because whether the Eagles or the Chiefs take home the trophy, This shoebox will be a guaranteed winner. Let's get packing. The first thing I did to make this shoebox extra super was to create a custom lid design using Canva. If you'd like to make your own, check out the link in the description. My friend Nicole made a fantastic tutorial on how to design a custom shoebox lid on her channel, Sweet Tea Daily. I also laminated both the lid design and a sports-themed bookmark that I found on Sending Shoeboxes' Facebook page. I love how this lid design turned out, and I put the scripture in French, Philippians 4:13, which says, "I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength," because many of my shoeboxes go to French-speaking nations in Africa. I hope this boy enjoys his shoebox and that he can use this verse and this picture in his room or wherever as a reminder of faith and encouragement. Now let's check out exactly what I packed in this American football shoebox for this special 10 to 14-year-old boy. So here's what he'll see when he opens up his football shoebox. It is very full, and I like the sunglasses right on top. Along the side, I tucked in a couple of different booklets. This here is a custom coloring book. The cover says Game On, which I got that from Sending Shoeboxes as well. It's actually a lid design. And then there's a standard Staples notebook for school. Inside, I added some surprise stickers in different styles and sizes. Plus, he has his handmade bookmark. The stickers include some smiley faces, as well as some different skateboard style designs featuring outdoor scenes and different hobbies. I think an older boy will really enjoy these different styles. The coloring book itself has a really nice quality cover featuring a football stadium scene. And inside I added several different coloring pages from mondaymandala.com. I chose a variety of football-related images, including different positions and action scenes, so the child could get a better idea of how the game is played. I also included some different mazes from OCC Shoebox Packers. And since football is a pretty American sport, I also included this printed page on how to throw a perfect spiral. It has some really helpful images that show exactly how to hold the ball and release it to get that smooth spiral effect when passing. Hopefully this will make learning the game even more fun. And right on top, I included a cool pair of aviator-style sunglasses. I actually just found these at Walmart for only $1. So be sure to check out your stores for sunglass deals. To help cushion them, I placed a pair of white Hanes socks underneath, and there's actually another pair inside the box as well. So he'll be getting 2 pairs of socks in total. Next, I added this super fun football player ornament from Hobby Lobby. Denise at D. Rogers found these at 90% off, and I was so excited that my store still had some. When you pull the string, the legs kick up. It's supposed to be a Christmas ornament, but I think it makes a hilarious little wooden football player toy for the child. I also included a tape measure, which I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Since football is all about gaining yards, I thought this fit the theme perfectly. It's in a baggie to prevent the metal clips from damaging anything in the box, but hopefully it'll be a really useful tool for the child. Next, I added a Hot Wheels sports car. These are the perfect size to tuck into little spaces, and they're always a hit with the boys. And hey, I'm sure football players drive nice cars, so maybe that's how this ties into the theme. Next, I included several footballs in different sizes and styles. There's this rubber play ball that came in a set of 4 from Walmart. It's just an extra fun ball for him to throw around, and since it deflates easily, it fits really well into the shoebox. Then I added a little football-style hacky sack. You can get these at Walmart as well. They are in the party favor aisle, and they come in a 4-pack of different sport balls. For his plush item, I went with this adorable smiling football. I love these sports-themed stuffed animals and packed several last year. They're $4.99 at Hobby Lobby, and they're a great plush option for the older boys. And finally, the wow gift from Five Below is this Franklin brand football. It deflated well, and I wrapped the pump inside with a washcloth around it, and I secured it with a rubber band so it stays nice and folded. Oh, and one more fun find, this football-themed chapstick from Hobby Lobby. It was actually part of their Christmas clearance, so I was able to get it for 90% off. I also included a fairly large water bottle that I recently found at Dollar General for just 75 cents. Of course, I packed it full of goodies, so let's empty it out and see what's inside. Right on top is a whistle, because every football game needs a whistle to stop the plays. Then I added 2 bouncy balls for extra fun. There's also a simple hygiene kit with a comb, toothbrush, and nail clippers, plus several pencils and pens for school. The pencils are a mix of Christmas designs and some Valentine ones that have pizza on them, which I felt was pretty fitting since a lot of us will be eating pizza while watching the big game. I also included a green cross necklace. I try to add these into most of my shoe boxes. Then at the bottom there are also several small cap erasers, a fun rhinoceros eraser, and 2 sharpeners. Packing a water bottle like this is a great way to fit in extra supplies. Next, I added a pack of colored pencils to go along with his coloring book and school supplies. For some extra fun, I included this orange tiger-style slap bracelet. I also tucked in a train stencil for drawing. And I was really excited to find this orange football shirt on clearance at Old Navy. It actually matches the slap bracelet pretty well. It's a size 14-16 and will hopefully be a great gift for this future football star. To top it all off, I included this football-style drawstring backpack. It also matches the orange in his shirt, and I found this at the Dollar General for $1. I think it's the perfect finishing touch for this shoebox. And finally, at the bottom of the box, I placed our family picture with a note on the back. It's always really important to include this personal touch, and I hope it brings a smile to his face. So now let's get this Super Football box packed back up, and then I'll show you the extra filler gift I was able to put together. In the end, I also included the sunglasses in a plastic bag just to keep them extra protected from any harm in their transportation. So here is my very full Super Football box for a 10 to 14-year-old boy. And if you've seen the filler challenge of the month, you know that stuffed cups are all the rage. I had this extra football cup from the Dollar General that I originally planned to include in this box, but since I went with a larger water bottle instead, it ended up being the perfect opportunity to make an extra filler gift. I packed this cup full of fun extras, including a bouncy ball, another football hacky sack, a cross necklace, a whistle, and even a light-up sensory football from the Dollar General. I decided to add a small plush as well, and I had this Hallmark Itty Bitty Star Wars plush that I found after Christmas for $1 at Walmart. It'll go alongside the cup in a clear bag, and I'm marking it ages 5 to 14 since the bouncy ball is a bit small inside the cup. I also included a family photo to add a personal touch to the filler gift as well. So there you have it, my Super Bowl football shoebox for a 10 to 14-year-old boy, plus an extra stuffed cup filler gift. I hope you all enjoy the Super Bowl. I'll stay diplomatic and just say, may the best team win. If you love content like this, be sure to like and subscribe and join me every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern for a new video. Until next time, happy packing! Bye!